Make versus do. We use make when we are talking about creating or producing something. But we use do when we are talking about performing tasks and activities. Now guys, let's fill in the blanks examples based on the definitions of make and do. The first example, I need a cake for the party. Yes, bravo. We have to use here make. And what is the reason for using make? Perfect, because here we are creating a new item and the item is the cake. The second example, can you the laundry before we leave? Yes, bravo. Can you do the laundry before we leave? And the reason is because you are performing the task of washing clothes. The third example, she decided to a painting for her friend's birthday. Perfect. She decided to make a painting for her friend's birthday. Why? Because she's creating a piece of art. Fourth example, every Saturday I the housework to keep things tidy. Excellent. Every Saturday I do the housework to keep things tidy. Why? Because you're performing routine tasks like cleaning and organizing. Number 5. They are going to a new movie next year. Perfect. They are going to make a new movie next year. Why? Because they're creating a film, which is a product of their work. The sixth example, he has to his homework before he can go out. Excellent. Very good. He has to do his homework before he can go out. Why here? We should use do because he's performing the task of completing assignments. Seventh example, I plan to a presentation for upcoming meeting. Bravo! I plan to make a presentation for the upcoming meeting. Why make? Because you are preparing, or also we could say you are producing a presentation. Now it's your turn. Share your answers in the comments below. Remember, make is for creating something while do is for performing tasks. So, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. Thanks for watching.